Hey my lovely people! Are you looking for a new shrimp appetizer? Let me share with you. I do have a new recipe for shrimp and new way of eating shrimp. Each shrimp has a beautiful topping which is a little bit spicy but not too much. The whole shrimp is crispy and you can eat all of it. Head, tail, everything. Are you brave enough? Stay with me and I'll show you how I make it. You take a shrimp and you count 1, 2, 3 sections. So where the third is, you pierce and you catch that vein and you take it out. That's it. Shrimp is ready to eat after it's gonna be cooked. Alright, so let me show you more. So we count 1, 2, 3. We pierce and we catch the vein and take it out. So next ingredient, I'm using this otogi crispy and savory golden frying mix. You can use any Asian frying mix. It's not tempura, it's frying mix. It's a little bit different ingredients and it has more flavor in it. So I'm using 1 cup. I'm not making the way it has to be made by the recipe on the package. I'm using it dry, just dry, and mix it, coat it together. Let's go to the stove. For the toppings, I have chopped garlic, flat leaf parsley, and Szechuan peppers. For the topping, you bring oil to the point when you see a little bit of smoke going on. Then you turn the heat off and add chopped parsley, garlic, and Szechuan peppers. And stir a little bit and just leave it till your shrimp is ready. Shrimp is ready to be dressed. So those toppings which we pour on the oil on, there you go. You just sprinkle all over the shrimp. And last thing, we sprinkle some salt. Try to add toppings in each shrimp belly section, so when guests pick it up, each shrimp has the topping. There you go. Enjoy. My guest came. I'll see you later.